Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be how I organize my desk, so let's jump right in. Okay. So this is the overview of my desk. And we'll start on the right side. And I just keep my phone, a coaster, because the desk is glass, so everything makes it dirty. And then I have a notebook here where I keep papers and my passwords and everything I'll need. And then I have a little thing with index cards. Which is almost empty. And then I keep another little notebook that doesn't have anything in it. And then I have binder clips and push pins. Then I have my little decorations, my little dolphin thing, a stress ball, or a stress toy, I guess, and then a little ceramic Dalmatian. Then I have my computer, and then on the left side of the desk I have my food journal, my planner, a coloring book that I got from FabFitFun, a candle, hole punch, scissors, and 2 staplers. And I have 2 because this one staples through thick papers and this one won't. And this one don't staple through thin paper, so yeah, I need 2. Okay, and then these little bins, I have 3 of them, came from Dollar Tree and it was a set of 3. And in this one I keep my pens and my pencils, and then I put post-it notes and little post-it flags. And then I keep more post-it notes back there. My dry erase cleaner, the rag I use to wipe off my dry erase board, and the dry erase markers. And then this one is a little bit dirtier, unorganized yet. It's got my headphones for my phone, my other set of headphones, highlighter, colored pencils, little goofy keychains, pencil sharpener, more binder clips, rubber bands, and then on the bottom I have Sharpies and other markers. So that's it for my desk organization video. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.